Hey, what's up, fellows? Yes, it's me. Welcome to IT Edge Network. In this series, I'm showing you how to troubleshoot and fix slow Windows 11 computers step by step, like real IT support, using real world troubleshooting methods. So, are you ready to fix this issue? Let's dig. Oh, welcome, guys. Welcome to my channel. So, starting today, we're starting a new series, which is PC running slow. This is a huge issue that you'll get lots of tickets. So I decided to just create a playlist and go one by one every issue and create every ticket. Every video will be ticket based scenario. We'll go through it and fix it. So let's get to it. So we're going to just do in this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the tickets or the symptoms and the problem you'll see. And then going forward in the next videos, we will discuss every single scenario ticket based and resolve them. We'll go deep to troubleshooting and we'll just go through everything. So we're right here in Spiceworks, and as usual, the ticket here submitted by Bob Peters, and the ticket basically says my computer is really slow. Now this is just a very generic a statement here, right? There's no details, no screenshots, just it's slow, right? So that doesn't tell you much. Is that hardware issue, software issue, operating system issue? What is causing it? Internet? We don't know. So that's why I'm saying it's a huge topic. That's why I need to cover it in a series, and this will help you tremendously, guys. This is probably your bread and butter in help desk. So yes, learn it. Hands-on skills, and they'll benefit you finding that job that you're looking for. So let me show you quickly, step by step, what we are about to do. Step one, we clarify the problem. Step two, Windows 11 troubleshooting. Task Manager is you will have to learn it and basically if you need to figure out what's causing the slowness, this is your place to go, right? Step three, identify the category of the problem. And then step four, quick basic checks, right? This is what we're going to do in this video. Like I said, this is just an overview of the series, and we're going to go much deeper. So first thing, basically, first thing is in IT support, we define what slow actually means, right? Ask, is the whole computer slow or just one application slow, right? That's the first question you should ask. Did the issue start recently? Does it happen all the time, right? Because remember, slow is not a diagnosis, right? It's a symptom. It's a symptom. So we need to figure it out. Now we move on to step number two. We open the task manager real quick. And so right click on the taskbar, go to task manager. And this is your task manager right here, right? Um, Now in here we can check the system performance, and this gives you a lot of information about your system. What is running, what is hogging the system, what is taking up most of the resources, things like that. So yeah, like I said, Task Manager is very important in help desk. So you should learn this. So over here, it gives you CPU right here on the top. If you look at it, it gives you CPU usage, memory usage, disk usage, and network usage, right? Those four important categories on your system. And these are the four categories which basically consume most of the resources on your computer. So you must know which application or which system process is eating up a lot of resources, right? So this will tell you right here. And obviously in future videos, we're going to go deep in here when we're troubleshooting issues. So yes, so this I just wanted to give you a basic overview where we'll be looking at in our future videos. So this is where it can tell you right there, right? If one of these is unusually high, that gives you a major clue, right? That you will know what's going on, and basically you can kill it. So we're going to go deep in that as well. Then we move on to step number three, right? Identify the category of the problem, right? Here are some common things IT support checks when a computer is slow, right? First thing we check is CPU usage right here, right? If CPU usage is extremely high, application may become slow or unresponsive, right? That's something we know. So yeah, number one, CPU. High memory is another thing. If memory usage is too high, let's see if one application is using and if it's too high, the computer may struggle to keep applications running smoothly. You will have problem opening applications. Application will crash, things like that, or move very slow, sluggish, right? Sluggishness. So those are the memory related issues that we're going to go deep in our future tickets. The next thing we check is high disk usage right here, the third option, disk, right? If disk usage stays very high, the entire system can feel sluggish, right? Because you don't have much space. It's you're running out of space. If you go in your file explorer right here, and basically if you open up and just go to this PC, and right there your C drive, see mine is only I still have 897 GBs free of 1 terabyte. So this gives you a major clue, right? If your disk is full all the way up to here, you will probably see a red sign here, right? It will tell you that hey, your C drive is getting up there. You need to do something like move data or whatnot. So we're going to go all in deep in this as well, and find out what can cause high disk usage and how to clear it, right? Um, and then last but not least, let's go back to our task manager here. Another thing you want to check is too many startup programs. What was causing? So on the left hand side in your task manager, if you look at the fourth option, startup application, you click on it, and this tells you right there which application. A lot of application launching automatically. So basically, when you turn on your Windows 11, a lot of applications turn on automatically with the system, and then that can slow down the startup process and the performance as well. So this is something we're going to go and see what can we do, what can be done right here to start make your system faster, right? So that's another thing we're going to check. And the last but not least is overheating. If the laptop gets too hot, Windows may reduce performance to protect the hardware, right? And we're going to go through this. What causes the overheating? How to fix it? How to prevent it? Right? What's going on inside the system when system is overheating? What's exactly is going on? And how the system is responding to fix it by default, like automatically. There are some built-in programs or built-in system um, uh, which prevents the overheating. So we're going to talk about that as well. The important thing is we don't randomly guess. We identify the category of the issue first before we resolve it. Remember our motto in IT: we don't guess, we isolate. Just remember that. We don't guess, we isolate. So yeah, these are the things we'll be checking in our future videos. Yeah, think like IT, right? This is how real IT support approaches a slow computer, right? We ask questions such as: Is it CPU? Is it memory? Is it disk? Is it startup programs? Right? Is it heating causing the issue? Instead of guessing, we isolate the root cause first, right? That should be your motto from day one. And trust me, you will be a successful IT support person if you just follow the basics and do it the right way. No guessing, no guessing. You will mess up the system, and your customer will not be happy with you. Trust me. So don't mess it up at the first go. So let's just do the quick recap what we have done so far. Um, right? We clarify the symptoms, then we check task manager, and then identify the category of the issue, and then isolate the root cause before applying fixes, right? Those are the common things, 4-step process we follow, straightforward, and then we do it the right way. And that's how real IT support would troubleshoot the slow computer issues step by step, right? So yeah, I highly recommend that you check out the rest of the playlist to learn more about real IT troubleshooting skills, especially when it comes to fixing slow computers. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a big one. This is a big one. This is, I guess you can see the base of help desk support. This is the base of help desk, desktop IT support, all your entry level IT position. This is where it starts, and that's how real IT support would troubleshoot. So yes, Check out my other videos. I'll be uploading them quick. I'll be uploading them fast. So make sure you keep up with the pace, right? You got to learn. We got to move on because just there's a lot of content, right? And time is of essence. So we have to move forward and learn. So that's it for today, and I will see you in my next video where we're gonna go in deep. We'll do some deep diving. More tickets coming in, right? All right. Take care. Bye bye. And that's exactly how an IT support would diagnose and fix slow computer issues in a real world. If you want to learn the real world IT troubleshooting skills, make sure you like and subscribe and check out the rest of the playlist. I'll see you in my next video.